It's on video. How to get one of these going. Cranks, or sorry, it doesn't crank. But everything else works on it. So there's a module here called EWS. Right there, EWS 2 for this model here. These two here, green and yellow. Magic moment. I'm gonna connect the battery again, put the key in, see what happens. Okay, so we're back. The video I saw that guy did where he did that was on a car maybe 6 months or so older than this one, like at least half a year. So somewhere in between 1994 and 1995, BMW started putting transponder chips in their keys. So this computer here with the silver label, these computers require that transponder chip to run. Whereas the red label computers with EWS 1, those computers were pre-transponder chip. So there isn't any requirement for the key to run the car. These wires here are what attach this antenna to the rest of the system. This antenna is what picks up that key code. But why bother? Here we are, nothing in there. I got it wired up.